Three things can never be reclaimed: time, words, and opportunities. Therefore, don't waste time. Choose your words carefully and don't miss out on opportunities. We have two lives, and the second begins when we realize we only have one. Lesson: the flaw of men is that they neglect their own affairs and meddle in the affairs of others. Before embarking on a journey of revenge, dig 2 graves. There are 1,000 lessons in defeat, but only one in victory. If you're depressed, you're living in the past. If you're anxious, you're living in the future. If you're at peace, you're living in the present. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We take greater pains to convince others that we are happy than to actually be happy ourselves. Instead, focus on clearing your thoughts. If you don't have bad thoughts, there will be no bad deeds. Both the man who says he can and the man who says he cannot are correct. Don't criticize your neighbor's roof when your own door is not clean. Lesson: if you hate, you have been defeated. He who flatters a man is his enemy. He who tells him of his faults is his true friend. What the caterpillar calls the end, the rest of the world calls a butterfly. He who is satisfied with his lot is truly rich. The noble person uses things, while the lesser man is used by things. Even the finest sword will eventually rust if plunged into salt water. Lesson: man's nature is evil. Goodness is the result of conscious effort. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. To lead people, follow them. Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. Never say never, because days go by so fast and nothing stays the same. The less you have sex, the less you want it. Your life is what your thoughts make it. We gain by losing, lose by gaining. No matter how busy you think you are, you must find time for reading or surrender yourself to self-chosen ignorance. When I free myself from who I am, I become who I can be. These golden words are not only a guiding light for each person's life, but also a precious heritage of humanity. Listen to them, ponder them, and apply them to your life, for they are the secret to achieving true happiness and living a complete, meaningful life.